Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say school, a school in French. How do you pronounce this word? In French, in France, it is said as école, école, école. The E at the end, sometimes when you speak, might be silent. You might say école, école, or école. The full word is with an E, so école, but often the last E is not said, école. It'd be fine in English to say it as école, école. Pretty straightforward once you know. École, from French, école. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting and useful French words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.